All right. I just sync offset. Sync offset. Yes. Advanced audio properties. General. Oh, so this is the problem. Okay. Let's try again. Okay, it's looking better. So today I'm gonna try with this offset. Hello everybody, sorry for that, but I've noticed everything is out of sync. And I'm gonna try and fix it up some other day. Well, I'm gonna give it a try for what is this right now, and then hey, if it doesn't work, I'm gonna give it a try tomorrow. I don't like to spend too much trouble on it. 10 minutes of the time. Stream manager. And today we are good. Now, unfortunately, today I'm gonna have a break in my channel because I'm gonna do a break from specifically this, let's say, this side of my channel, because I have a friend that just recently started a band. Other than start the band, one of my friends is in a band, this guy here, and they just recently started. They recently recorded an album, which should be coming out in like 3 weeks. Therefore, if you're interested, is a power metal band or something along those sides. It was a very complicated name, so I don't remember quite how they were. And there you go. So if any of you like power metal bands, these are the guys. Anywho, they asked me for a website. I said, sure, why not? Shouldn't be too bad. Now, I actually kind of regret it, because this is a, how do you say it in English? Because in Italian it would be vetrina, but front website? Simple website for publicity. Well, it's a static website. There's no backend, so nothing fun to be done. But I promised to do. I also wanted to give it a try on how is it to make a website, and then how is it to work with clients and make an actual website. And after that, I'm gonna say this is horrible. I don't want to do this ever again. Even if I'm getting paid, it will still be somewhat terrible. So as a general idea, I don't wish to do more. But, it is not, I usually don't want, I don't want to leave stuff halfway done. At least I want some side of closure. And since there's other people involved, I'm just gonna eat it up and give it a try, see how it goes. Luckily, as of later, I had a lot of practice with HTML. Again, I'm gonna get out of these side projects, and unless there's something incredible that I wish to build, god damn it, it's called main. Son of a bitch. Not on my watch. There you go. Menu origin name. Yeah, GitHub, I don't care about your politics. I'm not naming it main. It's master, it always will be master. It's the master tree, it's not the main tree. There's nothing involved about slaves. Don't be politically correct on stuff that nobody cares. Every programmer is anyway a terrible person, so let's get it over with. We like those jokes. Yeah, so this is the design. I did not had word on if they liked the consistency of the font or not, which is unfortunate, but that's something that they might change. I won't bother too much. Also, there was this guy who makes static website from plain HTML, which is give me that code. Now this might be something that I should look into. Message connection, build your own curriculum. There it is. So the starter kit. So this guy built some cool starter kit, but you have to go for. There's a lot of work involved in here. I'm gonna take a look at the files, see what's going on, and maybe check it. I don't know. I don't feel super comfy into using some other project. But the dude knows what he does. He's actually someone who enjoys HTML. Oh, son of a bitch. So it's worth a try for today. If the stuff works great, then I'm gonna work inside it. So starter kit v3, which basically this should be a template that he uses to make static websites. He will make a design and then reuse most of this website who already has built-in responsiveness, who already has dark mode, which I don't need because this is a metal band, it's always going to be dark. And this allows him to develop quite faster. Version of my starter kit and blah blah. Switching between drop down. Yeah, mobile knobs with a max width media query, so I can make any edits I want to them with this design. This also allows me to snap code for drop down aside. They've wrapped in a max width. Just copy and paste in one if you want to make sure the mobile knob drop down side of both. No extra work. Don't care how to use the command function. Don't care. Setup less. Yes, the kit is based on EMS for more responsive design. I have to that the less preprocessor to use its ability to do M calculation. As the koala up to choose the CSS file I want to watch, and I click the less file I want to auto compile and hit the compile button. This will now continuously watch for changing your less file. This is the same thing I do with Tailwind. The CSS folder and compile the less into its own CSS file to load instantly. Here's how to download koala. Yeah, see, now I have to download koala. which is a GUI application. Yeah. I need to watch multiple files, install less. To install less, for example, must download and install npm, so you can any program with yeah, well. Once you download, git relationship. Hopefully this wasn't too bad. Yeah, standard stuff. Calculating the M units. Kind of font size on any content later, everything on the page will look the same body tag for a font size. And since we declared a font size of 20, this is where we divide themselves by to get the M value. So just set the font size on the to be 15 pixel tablet, smart text up to 10 on 24. Why they set to 20? The actual default of 20 pixel. So yeah, I'm gonna take a look, explain how the system works. What happens here? Single. Yeah. Java system to make this easier. So if you have an H1, it's supposed to be 50, right? It's 50, 20, yeah. Okay, enough chit chat. Let's compile the less. Actually, let's browse a little bit in this code. Today I'm gonna take just a look, see how it goes. Okay, so everything is here. So my HTML, so index, project, and review. Doc type, meta swap for our actual link. This is where goes the link. Meta keywords. I don't know what this is about. Social media display. Session your image. I don't know this. What's about? Well, if anything else, using this will teach me a lot about what actually goes into the building of the website. Like what meta tags you want to use. Favicon. Oh, so that's how you use favicon as a link. Well, now it's a little bit embarrassing that I download them. In my folder, but for the next time reference, this is good. Yeah, I'm feeling so stupid. Probably it was said somewhere. So this will define the icon, which I'm guessing. No, you don't use this tag. Where the fuck did you use? Do you download them and then can simply? No, I don't get it. What's this about if you can't do shit? So the web manifest, I don't know what this is. So canonical. Let's say I can get what this is about. HTTP equip. Let's take a little read. So the meta HTML element represents metadata that cannot be represented by other HTML meta elements like base, link, script, style, and type. The type of metadata provided by the meta can be one of the following. If the name attribute is set, the meta provides document level metadata. If the HTTP equiv is set, the meta element is a pragma directive, providing information equivalent to what can be given by a similar named HTTP header. Pragma directive. are machine specific, operation specific by definition. Okay, so pre-processing. Not sure what this is about, but we're learning, so feels quite nice. Good. Next. Take a look at the link and search for canonical. Canonical link HTML. A canonical link is an HTML element that helps webmaster prevent duplicate content issue search engine optimization. Specifying the canonical or preferred version of a web page is described in RFC 6596, which went live in 2012. Oh, so this is for SEO. Cool. Meta description and keywords. I can guess what this is about. Description. Meta keywords. It's a list of keywords used by commas pertinent to the content of the page. You can still insert. Okay. Description. From the interest users with a short relevant summary of what the page is about. They are like a pitch to convince the user in exactly what they're looking for. Social media display. Meta OG title. Why does it keep finding stuff in Italian? We have problem enables any web page to become a rich object in a graph. Into a graph object, you need to add the message. We based the initial version of the protocol, which means you place additional meta tags in the head of your web page. The four required properties for a page are title, type, image, URL. The type of your object should appear within the graph, the rock. The type of your object, e.g. video.movie, depending on the type of specific properties. Image URL and canonical URL for your object. So we have two canonicals now. Okay. So it to become a rich object in a social graph. So OG open me title the rock. That one. Content video.movies. I'm guessing. Property URL, which is the 5 icon. No, it's just URL. Property image. This is the 5 icon, right? Bad request. Well, these are optional for any object. Structure properties, arrays. Can I say? I don't get it. Well, thank you very much. Sure. Why not? Use activate real favicon generate and download your favicons. Oh. How do I open links in Git? Well, in Vim. open a link in an email. GX. Hey, it works. I swear, I'm gonna punch someone in the face. Why is it always, it's not Firefox? It has to fix XDG open. You son of a bitch. Oh, okay, so this is simply, this helped me with the creation, but it simply will drop it into a icon. So here are my fonts, style sheets. A class skip to main contact. Okay, div. This div is used to overcome a zeta index issue where the open navbar is on top of the navigation. The bar places itself, the navbar menus appears navigation. Yeah, this is getting so much longer. Container. Get SVG if you can. Use a Fiverr to get PNGs turned into SVG. Highly recommend worth the $20 get a light and dark version. Okay, so this is the light mode, dark mode. Decoding async, loading lazy. Main menu, navbar. I can get this. But dark mode toggle, there it is. Okay. Image can sun moon. Okay. Mobile navbar, hamburger menu. Good. The section hero. Hero text. Yeah, I should start it up. Well, I guess there's nothing to start. Kind of Firefox. Actually, that's XDG. Open index. Son of a bitch. Yeah, I have to compile less. Well, well, well. What is it that I'm missing? Wait, this could be just a problem. No. Well, let's take a look at his video, I guess.
All right, welcome back. This is the CSS video. So I'm actually just going to have images. weight of bold and relative, and what a bit smaller but load for the images. So looks like we got some problem here.
Okay, so HTML JS preview node preview HTML. So in code, VS Code HTML preview, right? Node live preview. You have to excuse me. Okay. What we were doing. All right. Dot files. Lazy. So from this plugin required in your Lua. Good. Makes sense. Okay. So we are sewing. This looks very nice. So, time to pick it apart. Company name, what they do, and the state. Good. This is where the Detached goes. Main keyword, what they need to do, and the location if needed. This is my H1. Talk about the other services they do and location where they serve. Try to make it 2-3 lines long. Main call to action. Good. So I do have this stuff here. I guess I don't have something that it talks about, but my original design there was such stuff. Maybe it wasn't that pretty, but you know, started like that. Eh. So anyway, picture tag. That's interesting. There are more sources and one more image. Each child source element and choose the best match among them. No chance are found, the browser doesn't support the picture element. Select then the image presented. Oh, that's so cool. So that's how you load different types of pictures. Source, mean width 6.1. So that's how you load different pictures, and you don't even use media query, use the picture tag. That's cool. Section. Talk about service 1. Service 1, service 2, service 3. This is a section. This is a card. Self-explanatory. Side by side. A little worried that there's no kebab case. But, well, worried. A little bit annoying that there's no kebab case. Trust home builder for 20 years. Strong, sure. Bunch of lists. Description, and again the picture tricks. Side by side. Shit, brother. I'm definitely out of my depth. There's so much stuff here. Press side by side. Yeah, I'm gonna take some. And take some inspiration from this, but it is way overkill for what I do. Anyway, so that's for extra content for ranking. Wait, what? Final call to action. Home services, contacts. Okay. About us is the same page basically. Projects. Just a bunch of pictures, so nothing to see. So it flashbangs you. Well, views and contacts. So I see all this stuff. And I'm sitting wondering, will it may take me just more time to get through how this works? Or just build it myself and get the slight pieces of what I need? Because the cool thing about here is every layout, it's already the layouting part is working nice. Also, we have the hamburger menu here. I have to say, I'm a little bit torn. I'm guessing I'm putting, I think I'm putting a little bit of what he does here. And just use the logic about it. Because I don't need most of the stuff. My design, there's nothing that complicated. There's a lot of flex boxes. I should just read everything and maybe put some tags that I don't use, like the picture tag is very useful. The section, I guess. Section element represents a generic section of a document. A section in this content is a thematic grouping of content. Each section should be identified typically by including a heading as a child of the element. There it is, a heading 2. Oh. So yeah, let's do that. So over here, every link just gets you to the next page, which is in the same folder. By the way, there was some kind of Chichio. Zero lines, license. Okay, so stuff that I don't need. Dark mode. So my actual link would be detached with something on the lines. I have to load my stuff. Jesus Christ. I must say I don't get any of this. Touched band. Yeah, I don't quite get this media display here. Honestly, I simply do not understand. Alrighty then. Step number 1 would be the header. And here's a div. I would have thought this was a header. Goddamn V3. This for the metadata. Header represents introductory content, typically a group of introductory or navigational aids. It may contain some heading elements, but also logo, a search form, an author, and other elements. This is the article, this is the header, which GitHub is express. Yes, I'm gonna go with a header. And inside my good old header, I'm gonna just put detached. So piece for a paragraph. Actually, this is a bunch of A's. So A gets you to index. Then a div for my navigation and 4 A's. First one is index, second one is about discography. Discography. And the final one was contacts. By the way, we can take this and put it over here. Okay. So this is my number 1. All right. So detached. Home. About. And contacts. Also, we're getting Tailwind in here. because I'm not messing with stuff. So I can copy my tailwind into detached here. And I don't need the colors. Make the air static. And my handler here, does it have static? No, it has just a CSS. Yeah, probably CSS is enough. So static is going to be simply a CSS folder. That's not just CSS. In the, well, we have it base CSS. Now I usually do all of that bull crap about all right. Tailwind minus I CSS base minus O CSS style minus minus. Watch. Now I usually add these 3 lines in my base, which tells what parts of library I'm gonna use. But for this time, I'm gonna say, let's try without. Worst case scenario doesn't work, right? So I completely removed the CSS loading. Wait a second. Let's see, my style does not get big. So this simply means static CSS. The fuck, static base. Yeah, so we need this. Maybe not all of it. The fuck? At least we're flexboxing. So it's a flex, justify around. And that's already great. No, I don't want my eyes to get burned, so I want this background picture, which already scares me because if I remember correctly, this is a huge. See, this is a huge picture and it's in the background, and I don't know if I can even export this. I'm guessing I can just take this picture and yeah, so next time I'm gonna take this picture from the web and see if it doesn't look terrible south this way. Because I'm afraid it does. But I don't know how big it is. Well, anyway, it has been absolutely terrible today. Not a pleasure to work with. I don't enjoy HTML at all the more I use it, so at least I'm learning in life what is it that I don't like. So something is getting done in some way. I'll see you tomorrow. Hopefully I fixed the sync. It was looking fine. I'm gonna take a look at the video and I hear from everyone tomorrow. Thanks for checking out. Bye.